Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vivisimic Show. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare mushroom sauce. These are the ingredients we are going to use to prepare the sauce. Seafood, mushroom, pepper, maggi, salt and curry, blended sweet pepper, spinach, ice fish, onion, oil. Let's get started. Now it is time to wash the mushroom. Make sure you wash the mushroom very well. Put inside bowl, add water and add salt to wash. This idea of preparing of mushroom sauce came from me. I didn't learn it from anybody. The idea just came from me. So let's prepare together and see the outcome. Now after washing, you add the mushroom inside pot, cover like 2 minutes. As you can see, the water that came out. Then you bring out the mushroom and throw away the water. The mushroom I use is black mushroom. As you can see, the color is black, so don't bother about the color. It's the color of the mushroom. So I'm going to first put the ice fish inside pot, add the seafood, then add Vivisimic curry, pepper, salt, maggi. I'll add everything together inside the pot and leave it to cook like 3 minutes. I can't wait to see the outcome of this mushroom sauce. Now, after that, you add the mushroom inside the blender. Then you blend the mushroom. Vivisimic idea. Vivisimic methods. Vivisimic recipe. Then make sure you blend the mushroom very well. You add onion on it and blend all of them together. As you can see, the mushroom and the onion is well blended. Put inside bowl. Then you add the mushroom inside the pot with the seafood and the fish together. Add everything together. Blended mushroom sauce. This is the sweet pepper that I use, the one that remained from the one I used before. I added it here. Then you add salt and Vivisimic curry. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Then you add your extra virgin oil. After that, you stir everything together. I brought the sweet pepper from freezer. That was why it was on block. So within 2 or 3 minutes, you check if the whole ingredients is well mixed. As you can see, everything is well mixed together. Then you add your spinach. After adding your spinach, the sauce is ready. Wow, this is very nice. It looks so delicious. You can use this sauce to eat rice or anything of your choice. This is the outcome. See you in my next video. Ciao.